Welcome back. Amidst raging protests against farm laws, crucial round 2 meeting between farmers and centre Delhi's Vigyan Bhavan is underway. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar and Piyush Goyal, the Commerce and Industry Minister, along with farmers are meeting up at the moment. Sources say that farmers have demanded a law to be made for MSP in the meeting. Sources also say that the government is going to take a positive stand on the issue of minimum support pricing but will not repeal the farm laws. Centre already has the copy of the grievances of the farmers sent via a letter. Clause by clause discussion is going to take place as the government is going to attempt to answer all the worries of the farmers. A panel also may be formed comprising of farmers, government representatives and experts if no consensus is reached upon. Farmers are adamant on the demand for repealing the farm laws. Meanwhile, Centre feels that meeting is going to be successful. Rahul Srivastava now joining us live. Rahul, what is the inside scoop we're picking up at the moment? Centre feels is going to be a rather successful meeting. Any kind of inside track we're picking up on that meeting, which is currently underway?
Shruti, basically what the government sources are saying is that in the current scenario where the farmers are very adamant about certain demands, but there are some demands of the farmers which can be met, which can be served as what you call an classic olive branch to the protesting farmers, that the government is actually interested in listening to them, is giving it to their demands, which are reasonable in character. And that is why what we are being told that on issues like penalty on stubble burning and others, the government has gone in with a positive mind. Also on the issue of MSP, the government has gone with a positive state of mind as far as issuing a written assurance on MSP is concerned. What we are told right now that still the entire charter of demands of the farmers is under discussion and a point-by-point clarification is being provided by government officials. And in between, when farmers ask questions, the ministers themselves are responding. Remember that Mr. Piyush Goyal has a very interesting place in this ministry. When Mr. Ramvilas Paswan passed away, the Consumer Affairs Ministry was given to him as an additional charge. And since MSP and other issues are under the domain of the Consumer Affairs Ministry, that's why Mr. Piyush Goyal is there. So there are issues which are being raised by the farmer unions, and Piyush Goyal also, as one of the participants in the meeting, is responding to those queries. But what we are being told, it's going to be a long-drawn affair. The meeting started sometime little after 12 o'clock, and it could well be 5 o'clock by the time that this meeting may end, because there are a lot of issues to be sorted out and all the objections which have been made, and after that will come the real crunch element, that what will be the tangible yes or outcomes of the meeting that the farm unions can go from this meeting with the government and tell the farmers that the government is listening to us, is giving out our demands. They need to calm down and stay at least stay non-agitated as far as their protests are concerned.
All right, we'll wait and watch to see how this pans out. Rahul Srivastava joining us with the latest details right there. Let's now listen to what Agriculture Minister and farmer leader had to say before the meeting.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.